Figma and Framer are two powerhouse tools in the design and development space, but they serve different purposes, so which one is right for your workflow? Figma is a collaborative design tool focused on UI/UX design, prototyping, and team collab. It's where ideas are sketched, wireframed, and turned into interactive prototypes. Framer, on the other hand, started as a prototyping tool but now doubles as a full website builder, allowing you to publish production-ready sites without code. Figma is best for planning and designing, creating user interfaces, collaborating with teams in real time, and handing off designs to devs. Framer moves beyond design into live site building, offering hosting, animations, and responsive layouts so you can launch directly from the tool. Figma excels in collaboration and design precision, but stops short of actual deployment. Framer speeds up going from concept to live site, but it's more limited to deep design systems and complex UI libraries. So use Figma for the design phase, then hand off to a builder, or use Framer if you want to design and publish in one place. In many workflows, the two complement each other rather than compete. Should I compare Figma and Webflow next, or break down a full workflow using both Figma and Framer together? Let me know in the comments below, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to give this a like. And I'll catch you in the next video.